1. Win the morning. If your morning is a mess, your whole day will be too. Winning the morning isn't about waking up at 5 a.m. It's about starting with control. Wake up at the same time. Make your bed. Drink water. Do one small task right away. Why? Because the first decision of your day sets the tone for every decision after it. If your first action is lazy, the whole day drags. But if your first action is disciplined, the whole day gets easier. 2. Do one hard thing daily. Don't try to change your whole life in one day. Just choose one thing that pushes you a little. Study for 20 minutes, train even if it's light, clean your space, learn a new skill. The point isn't perfection, it's effort. Doing one hard thing every day teaches your brain to stop avoiding responsibility. And once avoidance drops, your productivity skyrockets. 3. Cut your time wasters. Your day feels short because you waste most of it on things that don't matter. You don't need to quit everything. Just cut the obvious garbage. Reduce scrolling, late-night distractions, pointless arguments, and people who drain you. Free even 30 minutes from nonsense, and you'll feel instantly more in control. Your time is your power. Stop giving it away for free. 4. Keep one promise to yourself. This is how you rebuild confidence. Say you'll do something, then actually do it. It can be tiny. I'll read 5 pages. I'll clean for 10 minutes. I'll finish this task. Every kept promise is a vote for a stronger version of you, and every broken one is a vote for the same old life. Consistency builds self-respect. Self-respect builds discipline. Discipline builds results. 5. Improve your environment. Your surroundings shape your behavior more than your motivation does. A messy room, a chaotic desk, a cluttered phone, they all keep your mind scattered. Clean your space, organize your tools, remove visual chaos. When your environment is simple and functional, your thoughts get clearer and your stress drops. A clean space won't fix your whole life, but it makes fixing everything else easier.